Let's talk about how you can actually earn crypto just by playing Web3 games. So first, forget the hype around every single play to earn game promising millions. Most of those don't last. The real way to earn is by focusing on games with strong communities and active token economies. Right now, the big names are Big Time, Illuvium, and Pixels. They reward you with tokens or NFTs that you can sell or trade. Step 1, connect a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Phantom. That's where your earnings will go. Step 2, pick a game with real utility. For example, in Big Time, you earn in-game items that can be sold on their marketplace for USDC or Ethereum. Step 3, make sure you're cashing out safely. Always bridge your tokens back to a major exchange like Binance or Coinbase if you want to turn them into real money. The key here is don't treat Web3 gaming as a get rich quick scheme. Treat it as fun, and the crypto rewards become a nice bonus. So pick legit games, connect your wallet, earn NFTs or tokens, and cash out securely. That's how you play and earn. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.